Now for this answer, the answer is C. That it is, and it's been in the air t square root of 2. And why is that? And we plug in this equation, which helps us to get the velocity of it, and we plug in our values. So we have that t. Once we start simplifying this, if we have the y equals 0, and that 2ho minus gt squared, we're simplifying this, we have t squared to one side equals now 4ho over g, and we simplify it, we have 2 times 2ho over g, and t squared equals 2to, so that means that our t squared over 2to, get the square root of this, so we have t equals t square root of 2. So that solves our answer. It's been in there how much time? T square root of 2.